RTX 5090 Founders Edition is here. We're gonna basically unbox it, go through the aesthetics and what it's all about. But before we get into that, here's a quick word from this video's sponsor. My PC's almost ready. I just need to get a cooler, but I'm kind of a bit low on cash now. What am I gonna do? The Liquid Freezer 3 from Arctic. It's available in up to 420ml, and you can have it with or without RGB. And it comes with a 6-year warranty. And it's cheaper than all other AIOs on the market.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Hold on a minute. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3. Find out more by clicking the link in the description below. Okay, so I've already been told that once this comes out of this box, it kind of can't go back in. So unlike the 40 series where you had this nice black box, I've been told that this is kind of eco-friendly. So once you've opened it, that is kind of it. So this is my first time seeing it, your first time seeing it. So let's see what it's all about. So on the side, we've got a pull tab there, and we've got another pull tab around that side. So let's get to pulling, I guess. It's quite satisfying. A little bit like when you open a new phone, like an iPhone or something. Obviously, I can't comment on Android because I've never had an Android phone. Inspired by gamers, enhanced by AI, built by NVIDIA. So straight away, we know NVIDIA are obviously big on AI for the Blackwell series of graphics cards. So take that off and let's get it opened up. I mean, straight away, it's a lot slimmer compared to the 40 series. That box was like huge, but they always did like a really nice outer box for those as well. So kind of trying to figure out how this now opens. I'm sure it looks really fancy and everything, but okay, looks like there's like a sort of sleeve. So if I do it this way, you're actually going to see it before I am. So yeah, weren't lying when they said about eco-friendly. This is the box. So it's not an inner box, which is what I kind of thought it would be. NVIDIA logo up here. It does look like it kind of opens very much the same sort of way as the 40 series with these kind of bits that come down like that. That's basically how the outer box was for it. So yeah, you kind of do that, and then this is what we have. So we'll put that to one side. I'm not even sure how to kind of tackle that, but this is what we've got inside. So there's more boxes here by the looks of it. So we've got, I mean, it says included, and then it's got graphics card, cable, and then instructions. So we've got a little box here. So yeah, pretty cool. Everything feels kind of Swedish. I don't know if that actually makes sense. I know what it means in terms of Swedish. It feels very IKEA, very, yeah, recycled. And I guess that's a good thing. So we have a quick start guide. Let's have a little look at that. So, I mean, it is quick because there's not really much to it, but quick start guide. And then there's a QR code on there. Maybe could have condensed this down a little bit to just be sort of that size. If there's a QR code, do we really need the rest of the information? But it is just many different languages saying about product warranty and support. Please retain your sales receipt, eligible for 3-year warranty service. And then, yeah, just multiple languages on the back. So, yeah, I feel like it could have been condensed down, but, you know, still nice thing to have. And now I've got to try and get it back into place. Then we have 12VH PWR connector to 4 8-pin PCI Express connectors. And straight away, this feels really nice quality. The braiding on there is really, really good. It has got a separate Sense cable there. So yeah, it's got one on every single one. But yeah, really nice quality. It's not like stiff or anything like that. It's actually got quite a lot of flex to it. Yeah, feels a lot more premium than maybe the existing ones, even down to the connector, which has got, it's kind of like this rubberized coating on there, but it just feels so much better than what we saw in the 40 series. Not that they were bad on the 40 series, but this just feels a lot better. It doesn't denote any sort of wattage on there, 600 watt or anything like that, but obviously, yeah, it's 600 watt. So that's basically what we get. So yeah, that can sit back in there. We're not actually going to use that because the power supplies that we use for our testing do have a native 12VH PWR, but straight away 4 PCI Express 8 pins into that. that's basically it for this box. But I'm going to tell you it straight away. This box, even without the card, the obvious thing in there, still weighs quite a fair amount. So yeah, let's close that up. It's not going to look as nice on a shelf. I mean, you can kind of see this. We have got various boxes up here. There's some AMD stuff. There's some MSI stuff, Asus. We've kind of got all these really nice boxes, and black black goes with everything. This is a little bit different. Obviously, once we take this off, but I don't know, maybe we can have it open so at least it shows the NVIDIA logo or something like that. So, onto the main thoroughfare, I guess. Very, very eco. GeForce RTX 5090 on there. It's got two little arrows, but yeah, straight away you can see the kind of intricate, I guess, recycled material. Yeah, not really too much else to say. It's shaped like a graphics card. As the light hits it, you can see that kind of GeForce RTX 5090 on there. So yeah, looks really nice. Kind of a slight beigey grey colour to it, but yeah, I don't actually know how we open it. There's little arrows on there. Do we pull? Do we push? I don't know. The arrows kind of dictate that maybe that pulls off, but it doesn't. So I am really kind of confused as to how to get into my 5090. How do I do it? Pull. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Okay. That was harder than it should have been. It's really smooth, and I've got really smooth fingers. That's my excuse. Here we go. So, back on track. GeForce RTX 5090. And there it is. So yeah, this is like, thought has gone into this, I'm telling you. Okay, it is bigger than I thought it would be in terms of kind of surface area. It does very much remind me of the RTX 4080 Super X3 that Inno3D did, because that was a 2-slot card compared to everyone else on the market who was doing the 3 slots. So kind of gone with more surface area across this way, as opposed to building up the fin density. But there is the card itself. And yeah, we're going to have a little look at that in terms of what it is. Obviously, you guys have seen pictures, you've seen some videos and stuff like that. I guess what I'm probably more inclined to do, instead of me just talking about it because you can see it, is maybe we do a little montage of this card from every single angle, just so you guys can see kind of what it's all about. But before we kind of get into that, I guess I'll give my little thoughts on it. I wanted to make this as quite a short video of it's kind of showing the whole experience, because this is what you're going to get if you buy a Founders Edition 5090. I'd like to think the 5080 is going to be the same. 5070 Ti, 5070, maybe not so much. Maybe, I don't know, they're going to keep it for the high end. But this is a card and it does look absolutely beautiful. It is a huge chunk of metal. It's basically just one great big heatsink. And we've actually got lights around the studio. So we've got like blue lights, and as it hits that, I don't know how well the camera is picking this up, but as it hits it, it looks really, really nice. So yeah, kind of stealthy look. 12V PWR connector at an angle on the top as well. Yeah, I kind of feel sorry for AIBs, how they're going to keep up with trying to make their cards stand out from this, because it is a 2-slot card. It does look amazing, sort of stealthy black. Connector-wise, we've got DisplayPort, 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 and then our HDMI as well. No NVIDIA branding on here whatsoever. No writing, no nothing. It's got like the really... I mean, it's got fingerprints on it now, but it's got the really subtle kind of RTX 5090 just on this beveled edge here. GeForce RTX branding, which looks like it will light up as well. And then RTX 5090 here. Doesn't actually say NVIDIA anywhere on this graphics card. Not in one place does it say NVIDIA, which I'm actually okay with. It's kind of subtle. We've seen it with cases now, where case manufacturers, instead of putting their the full product name on there, they just have like the Cooler Master logo or the Antec logo with the little A. And even beyond that, sometimes we've had nothing whatsoever. Maybe that's a trend. Maybe that's the way that things are going now. I really, really like it. And yeah, want to know what you guys think. So let me know in the comments section below. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know exactly what to do. And I'll see you when we have, I guess, the date that we can lift for all the benchmarks. Until then, enjoy the montage. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.